BXR, a next-generation streaming platform specializing in providing broadcasting extended reality content to users around the world. Now, let me introduce you to the team. I'm Jacob Metcalf, and I'm fascinated with automation and systems integration, and I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree in computer engineering at the University of Utah.
I'm Jason Sumner. I'm a manager in research and development at locally, and I'm pursuing a master's degree at the University of Utah.
Hello everybody, my name is Jacob Groneman. Thanks for joining us all here tonight. I am the inventor and framework specialist at BXR, and I have a background in motion capture systems and simulation engines. Currently I'm pursuing a degree in software development, bachelor's and master's dual program at the University of Utah. Okay?
Hello, I'm Haley. I'm in charge of business development for BXR. I'm currently pursuing a mechanical engineering degree at the University of Utah. You know, Jacob, it kind of seems like we have a pretty big problem.
I see we do have a big problem. A couple big problems here. First, we have hardware that doesn't complement the current technology of today. What does that mean? Well, notably with media. So, have you ever watched on your phone, well, of course you have, any video or on TV and notice that no matter many times you play it, it's going to be the same exact video, right? Those videos are encoded with bits that are pre-done. What you see is what you get. Well, we have technology today, and video games are doing this, where you can interact with the media. And even though that Apple and Meta have headsets that you can wear, where you can be in an environment and interact like a video game, if you have any video that you're going to watch in those devices, you'll notice that it will always be non-interactive. Second, monster corporations are falling apart, notably in broadcasting and the news. So viewership is drastically down. We are getting reports in the news right now that people are leaving those companies and going to individual ventures, whether it be podcasting or web shows. So third, we have viewing is flat, and what that means is TVs are just that. They are flat. There's no presence. So when you watch a video, wouldn't you rather be there? You might be sitting at home, say, watching a football game and wishing, hey, I want to see the thundering of the crowd. I want to hear the echoing of those walls. Maybe see the concert in person. It will never be as good as the real thing. Well, I'm here to say that we have the solution for you. A broadcasting service providing 24/7 immersive content, 360 degrees, and anywhere through an extended reality device. What does this offer? Currency from aging hardware that doesn't complement what can be today with interactivity. Novelty from generic giants that are falling apart. We have a solution for the next era. And presence from a flat experience. Why not just see it when you can eat it? But, guys, I want you to know that our product is really simple. Go and wear any virtual reality or extended reality device. Go to the App Store on that device, download BXR in a few seconds, and then boot up the app. You'll be presented with a roster of channels that you can choose from. Go and select a channel, and you will be there. Next, we're going to have Jake talk about the competition.
Okay, so this is just a quick breakdown of the competition in the market. We have it broken into 4 quadrants. In the top left here, you have affordable traditional services like Netflix and Hulu. The bottom left, these are more expensive streaming services that don't offer BXR content, Disney, HBO Max. On the right side, these are the immersive streaming platforms, kind of like ours, except they don't offer live event streaming. You have the expensive ones down here and the non-expensive ones. Of course, there's BXR. We're going to be affordable and immersive. And now I will pass it to Casey.
How's it going, everybody? So we did our market research and we looked at the extended reality market. Today, it sits at $32 billion. It's expected to grow by an annual growth rate of 40.61%, reaching $245 million by 2030. So, who are our users? Right now, according to market research, there are 1.8 billion extended reality users in the world. Of that set of users, we're targeting the 171 million VR users. And specifically, we're going to focus our capture efforts on 15% of that market. And the reason for that is these are the emerging, excited VR users who are looking to adopt new technology. Our business model is going to be focused on those users. We're gonna have a $20 a month average fee. Focused by 2035, we're gonna end up having an annual revenue of $520 million. Next, we're gonna jump into the strategy with Katie.
We're using a 3-step strategy to get our products out there. First, we're going to be partnering with local news stations and indie film producers to get our products out there, test to make sure everything's working correctly, and make adjustments as necessary. Next, we're going to partner with talk shows and content streamers to expand our audience base. And finally, we're going to integrate virtual simultaneous camera usage so that our friends who don't want to use or can't use headsets will still be able to engage with us on their cell phones, TVs, or tablets. We have several advantages coming into the market. At the moment, we are one of the first to be utilizing the technology in this way, so we'll be able to grow with this market, and we are also taking advantage of that by using a subscription model. Next, we have exclusive content and features. So, on our application, we will have our very own unique content that you will be able to view with your friends in the same virtual room. Finally, we are focused on making high-quality, user-friendly interfaces to streamline searching, browsing, and viewing for the user's entertainment. But in order to do all this, we do need your help.
Okay, so the pitch. What we're asking for is $250,000 for 10% of our company. With that $250,000, we will set up servers and set up our streaming platform so we can get our first 10,000 users in the first year. And with 10,000 users and on average a $20 per month subscription fee, we expect $2.4 million in revenue in the first year. So join us as we pave the way to a next generation of streaming. Thank you.
Okay, we'll take 3 questions. Anybody got any questions?
You guys have like a specific first like event or live event you guys are looking to get into initially? Sports or something?
Yeah, sports would be a really good thing. There's a lot of technology that goes into play when you're integrating sports with the technology like this, right? So, for example, you have motion capture systems that go into a live sporting event. You'll need a whole entire infrastructure to address that, especially if you are planning to have people live at a stadium as it's happening, right? So, long term didn't work out. In the short term, getting started though, if that was the first thing, it would be rather expensive to implement, right? Really complicated. With the ideal solution of having the first production, it would most likely be either the news, because you do want it live, it is attractive, and it's very useful. So I would say that our first venture is useful.
how is this different than like an IMAX theater?
Yeah, that's a great question. With IMAX, you are sitting in a movie theater looking at a huge flat screen, and it might seem very present because it's very big, right? You have all the noise around you, very cool experience. Love IMAX. However, the difference between IMAX and this is when you put on that headset, it looks like you're actually inside of the environment when things are playing out. So think about going to a playhouse. You see the characters right in front of you. Well, that's happening right there, right? You're not going to get that with an IMAX. Additionally, I do want to say, because it's applicable too, we have simulation engines integrate scripts. So what does that mean? Well, if you are sitting in a virtual room and the characters are outside doing their lines and everything, well, because we have that interactivity and simulation engine, we can attach scripts to the actors. No matter where that viewer is in the room, they can see that actor looking at them delivering the lines. That's something you'll never get with an IMAX.
One other thing that's a benefit is, you know, these, you can have the VR headset at home, and then you can send yourself to, I don't know, Spain, watch soccer game, or you can send yourself to Australia and go live there.
Yes.
Okay, so I just have a question. So it sounds like you guys are saying that it's more virtual reality versus mixed reality. Are you planning on doing both? Because with other competitors like Apple Vision Pro, you're able to like walk through your house and watch live sports and certain products like that while you're doing things, versus virtual reality where you're like you were talking about, you're seeing it at once. So are you trying to do a mix of that, or are you focusing more on one side?
Yeah, our platform could be compatible with augmented reality. I think that's what we talked about. But really, the whole point of it is you are in a VR space, but you're in the place. Like, imagine watching an NFL game, and you're standing right on the edge of the field. You can see the players and everything that's going on, and you're actually there. And I suppose you could have that mixed with augmented reality in some way, but the whole point of it is that you're completely immersed and you're not aware of the actual reality that you're in. So we could find a way, but yeah, right now it's really focused on VR, extended reality. So.
And part of that, going along with that, is our simultaneous virtual camera integration, which allows users to see whatever they want on our application on their own flat device. So we will have an option inside our application when you're using a headset to sort of put it off to the side so that you can see if they wander around doing whatever you need to, while you can still